Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here. Today is day 8 of our master bath reno, and today we had both electrical and framing work done. So let me show you what was accomplished today. So I always start out over on the side with the closets. You can see the framing's almost finished on both closets now. And you see wires hanging down where we want to put a light in both of those closets. And then over on the side here, since our electrical outlets are now inside the closet, I asked the electrician to put one in this little nook area so it wasn't inside the closet, so that will have an electrical plug on there too. Then coming over on this side here, today we've got Command Central. Here's the box, the electrical box that will house all the switches for the different lights. There's one for the heated tile floor, and then I think the next thing that was done, you can see now the framing is in here. That's where our medicine cabinets are going to be. And we've got wires that are kind of looping down for the light fixtures that are going above the mirrors, and the medicine cabinet also has electricity in it. So, and then we've got outlets on either side of the vanity. So that's going in on the ceiling. That is where our one of the resets lights will be. And then over here, we've got the framework for our bathroom fan. And two holes over here. One was the former light, and we have a wire coming down for the actual light. And all of this, the electrician is so awesome. I just have to say, he's like really amazing. And he explained everything to me, why the boxes, some of them are bigger right now, because we don't know until everything's in where everything's going to be placed. Like there's a vanity and there's medicine cabinet, so he's kind of leaving things open so he can perfect the placement of everything, which I absolutely love. I love to have everything lined up, so hopefully in the end it will be all lined up and wonderful. So I think I'm really happy with all the progress that was made today, and there will be more tomorrow. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll be back tomorrow with another update. Bye.